Guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy CREAMPYE token on Trust Wallet via PancakeSwap. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first, what you need to do here, you need to set up a Trust Wallet. You need to download on iOS or Android device. It's completely for free. Set up a 12-word recovery phrase and you're good to go. You have a Trust Wallet. And then for CREAMPYE coin, we need to have a Binance coin on Trust Wallet in order to swap it. So you can buy Binance coin on Trust Wallet itself by selecting BNB, putting the amount and the payment method, but the fees are bigger here, so I highly suggest you to buy on Binance Exchange. So I will leave the link in the description with a referral code where you can basically register on Binance and get 5% more crypto on your first deposit. So if you buy Trust Wallet on basically Binance coin on Trust Wallet, you already have it. But if you buy on Binance Exchange or have on another wallet, then you need to press receive, select BNB, copy this wallet address where you have your Binance coin and transfer to Trust Wallet. And then you need to select BNB again, select more, swap to Smart Chain, and swap your Binance coin to Binance Smart Chain. And once you do that, just press on the browser or the apps on the bottom, as you can see here with the 4 little squares. But if you're using Trust Wallet with the iPhone for the first time, probably you will not see this option, so you need to go on Safari, copy and paste this link. I will leave this link in the description below, and then press go, and the browser option will appear. And then look for PancakeSwap. Make sure you are connected to the wallet on the top right corner, and you need to select currency, so you need to go on bctscan.com and look for CREAMPYE. Make sure that is as you can see here, more than 8,000 holders right now. And as you can see here, there is contract ID. Copy this contract ID and go back on PancakeSwap, paste it here, and now you can select it, and now you can basically swap it. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.